Hello everyone, I am Graphiksha and welcome back to the Graphiksha design. So today in this video we are going to discuss about some secret tips of a social media design post that grabs the people's attention. So have you ever wondered why some post grabs the people attention and why some post disappears in the feed? So today I am going to break down the secret tips of a designing social media post that are engaging, grabs the people attention for the different platform like the Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, because each platform works differently. So by the end of the video you will get the overall idea and exactly how to create the social media post that grabs the people attention to make them stop the scrolling and build your brand. So let's go and see what are the principles, what are the basic design principles we use by designing a social media post that grabs the people attention. To design a social media post that actually stop the scroll, so let's take a look at the social media post design tips that actually works. While looking at this post, what do your eyes notice first and why does it matters? Let's start with the foundation of a good design. There are first 4 elements we are focusing on, that is the hierarchy, colors, fonts and branding. First element is a hierarchy. Your headline or a main message should always be the hero. Don't let it get lost. It should be highlighted in the post. So as we can see in this example, the main message is highlighted with the brand color in the bigger text and all other text are in a smaller font. So the main message is they providing the proper power lenses through their glasses. So the message is the glasses to your measure, which is highlighted with the brighter color and all other text with in a different color and a smaller font. Next element is a colors. Use your brand colors wisely. Too many colors will create a clutter, but too dull colors will also create a boring effect. So in this example, we can see there are only 3 colors used. One is a bright orange, one is a black and one is a white. Using these brand colors throughout your post will create the brand identity. Third element is a fonts. Stick to max 2 fonts, one for the heading and one for the body. Generally use the fonts which are used in your branding or the logo. So consistency builds the recognition. And the last element is a branding. Always include a subtle branding like your logo or the watermark, but don't make it overpowering in the post. So the post can get the message, also create a branding effect through the color palette, the fonts we use, in the consistency. So it will create the brand identity in the post. Second part in the social media design is a platform specific design. So now let's talk about how each platform is different. So here we are focusing on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn platform. First platform we are discussing is Instagram. It's all about the visuals first. Use bold imagery, trendy fonts and short and punchy text. For example, for a eyewear brand, use a large product shots and the bold typography. Use the punchline which attracts the audience attention in first 3 seconds. Platform is a Facebook. It works better for event promotions, offers and longer captions. Design posts should highlight the offers clearly like 50% off or new launches. You can add the buttons or callouts like sign up today, buy now, visit now, like that. Platform is a LinkedIn. Keep it professional and minimal. Use clean typography, corporate friendly colors and simple layouts. For example, in post, use the bold headline and the neat brand logo. Like we used in these images, like the quality glasses and the logo, or the ideal for all ages and logo. So it is conveying the message clearly with clean typography and minimal text, and also it's professional. What comes is the do's and don'ts while designing a social media post. So let's go over some do's and don'ts quick real. First, see do's. Do use high quality images. Do keep enough white spaces in the post. Do design with the mobile screens in mind because most viewers see in the post in the mobiles. Now let's see what to avoid while designing a post. Don't cram too much text. Don't use random colors and fonts. Use the brand colors to get the attention and create the brand identity. Don't forget your CTA. Always guide your audience on the next step. Further to the last step of our video and redesign a normal post into a good post by using the basic principles we have seen in the video. Redesign this a normal post. So here is the brand called Arc Eyes. So in this post we can see the 20% off offer is not clearly seen. There is no logo, so it's not creating the proper brand identity. So let's redesign it by adding their logo. So this is their logo. So we can add the logo in a smaller size, so it should not overpower the post. So let's place here, then add the name. Let's adjust it according to the logo. Now we can make the highlight, that is eyewear store, with the bold font. It should attention. Let's increase the size. Let's adjust it. Now we can give the effect to this store with different color and add the stroke to it to make it light and highlight the eyewear more. We are using the brand colors to this. So it will create the brand identity throughout the post. We are using the same blue yellow colors, which is a ochre yellow by the way. Now let's shift the product to right and align the text. So here we are creating the hierarchy in the text, the main text, then the secondary text. So the secondary text has a smaller size. So what we want to highlight, we'll keep in a bigger size. Let's readjust this logo. Now we can align all the text. Let's left align it. We are adding the bold imagery of the main product. Now let's highlight this 20% off with the different text. Also we are using the same text font to create the visual identity of the brand. So we are adding here the circle to highlight that 20%. Let's adjust the circle with the text. Change the color to the lighter one, so it will easily readable. Also highlight the 20%. We can now add the line to highlight the product and the offer. Let's adjust this line according to the product. We'll create the leader type. Let's adjust the product snapshot here. We'll align the 20% off product and the shop now in a line to create the visual balance. Let's shift to the back. Now we will shift this shop now to the right, which create the linear visual. Now highlight the shop now with the brighter color. So we are using here the brand colors, so it will create the brand identity overall and not the random post. Also this will highlight the 20% off and shop now with the brighter color, so it is easy to see. So yeah, that's it. It is a quick transformation example. So when you see a normal post and the redesigned post, you will get an idea. After applying the hierarchy, color balance and branding, here is the new design. So see how it's cleaner, more engaging and instantly grabs the attention. Also create the visual identity of the brand through the post. Think of your design as a story. Your audience should know what's important in first 3 seconds. So if you found these tips helpful, try using them and applying these principles in your next social media design project and let me know in the comments how it goes. And if you want more tutorials on these topics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one.